We talk football SA, inform, entertain, educate, promote. Le video le uyethulelwa abaka-Fezile Security Services. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 1. Mfowethu igama kuqala siqale egameni.
Ukhuluma noMapopo wakaXulu, umpathi uMapopo kaDali lo.
Yeah.
I'd like to say thank to Kaizer Chiefs fan and Kaizer Chiefs players.
Yes.
Indlela edlale ngayo abafethu mina ngiyababonga. I'm so proud, and then I'm so proud coach Da Cruz. It's so good first 11 yakhe, and then I want to say indlela akangayo emuva. Ngifuna ukuthi alungise kakhulu la emuva. Kwi4 and 5 yami angikho happy because of indlela abadlala ngayo. Abakakwazi ukubambisana uMalesana nokunika. Abakakwazi ukuthi bebambisane. But lokho ngisafisa ukuthi bebambisane bekwazi ukuthi bedlale ibhola eli-1 because each and every time isikhathi abazongena ngaso bazongena kukunika or bazongena kumigwele because kumele kube no-1 ozoba yi-sweep. If usambe sonke abatshelana ukuthi okay njengoba isambile funa kube khona oyi-1 osele ozokwazi ukuthi abe yi-sweep le-Chiefs. Njengoba asinalo i-sweep basambile sambe sonke akekho obuya azobhekapha i-Chiefs emuva. Shuthi isikhathi esiningi bazokwazi bengene ngale lo side. I4 and 5 yethu ayikakabikho combine. So we talking about football SA. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Ngidlulisa nje ukuthi rest in peace inkosi amagcokama and Bukcha bafethu abalale kahle belale ngoxolo siyabathanda singabasemsinga sohlezi basupporta silimele ibhola siyazi bebelithanda bebelisupport nathi futhi siyalisupporta soqhubeka sibe eside sawo mara ithe draw okubuhlungu kakhulu ngibone igama namhlanje liphumile kuthiwa Kaizer Chiefs is just a name. Okay, it is fine. Kaizer Chiefs is just a name. Funa sibakhombise ukuthi okay Kaizer Chiefs is just a name, but engifuna ukubatshela khona abalandeli bePirate how many years bengenayo i-league. How many years iKaizer Chiefs egcine ukuthatha ifisa point. Kaizer Chiefs it's the biggest team in South Africa. Ayekho ayofika kwiKaizer Chiefs. RIP Nkosi Amagcokama.